Not allowed on the bed, you. No!
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Do you want to go?
Copper, who do you prefer, mom or dad?
No bite.
Hey boy, what's up?
Oh my gosh, you okay?
Thanks for holding the drinks.
You want that? Too bad. Lauren, you sit that.
Really? Are you sad? No?
Right, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
I love
Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Good job.
Okay, good. That's it. Thank you.
There you go, Bailey.